welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing you the solution news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 131st episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Bible Diary 2023, Salesian Publications, Hyderabad. India Salesian College due to be autonomous. Brother Banhun Langlingdo of Psychology Department, 5th semester reports from Siliguri.
The Vice Chancellor of the University of North Bengal, with additional charge of Darjeeling Hill University, Professor Om Prakash Mishra announced Salesian College Siliguri due to be autonomous soon.
Your great college is soon to be declared to have an autonomous status. The decision has been passed. Some of our colleagues, they would be visiting the college soon. And I have also set up a deadline. That is within 2 months. And 10 days have already passed. So within 1.5 months, Salesian College would be declared to be autonomous, which actually would be yet another affirmation of our bond.
84 years old Salesian College Sonada Darjeeling and 13 years old Salesian College Siliguri academic community is led by a team of 10 Salesians in management and 104 faculty members. Currently, some 2,200 students do their arts, humanities, commerce, science, and professional courses in Siliguri under the North Bengal University from 20 departments in undergraduate honors courses as well as postgraduate courses in English, education, and psychology. Another 400 plus students pursue undergraduate studies in 10 courses in Sonada Darjeeling. Twice declared college with potential for excellence by University Grants Commission, Salesian College completed 3 NAC accreditation cycles and retained A grade in the last 2 and is now gearing up for the 4th cycle.
Brother Banhun Langlingdo reporting from Siliguri. India Salesian priest trains hundreds of young Oil India executives. Pinky Sarkar, youth animator and trainer at Don Bosco Institute of Management, reports from Guwahati.
Father Thomas Vattatara, popularly known as Father VM, has completed 19 training programs for the Oil India Limited Company executives in Assam. The 2-day program for 576 executives were held in batches of 30 from July and concluded on 6 November 2022. Skill Matrix Assessment Retreat and Training, or SMART, the program was specially designed as an experiential program in line with the way the young consumes information today. Father Thomas is former Chancellor of Assam Don Bosco University, Guwahati, and trainer of Indian Administrative Services personnel for some 20 years at Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute, Dehradun. The program touched upon 4 key areas: self-awareness, teamwork, creativity and innovation, and leadership. In the second phase of training, assisted by a team of professionals, 130 of the SMART executives will go through an advanced 5-day leadership training program at Silawam, Transformational Leadership Resource Center on Barapani Lake in neighboring Meghalaya state. The program is entitled SHARP, Strengths, Health, Absorption, Relationship, and Purpose, to enhance their leadership insights and skills.
Pinky Sarkar reporting from Guwahati. Thailand Salesian Youth Movement holds 2-day camps. 200 youth from 7 Salesian family schools participate. Father Ekasit Talakulton reports from Bangkok.
On the 8th and 11th November 2022, Thai Province's Youth Ministry organized an event called SYM Day Camp. This event occurred at St. Dominic's School, Bangkok on 8th November and on the 11th November at Don Bosco Technological College, Banpong. The morning study theme was the new Salesian family Saint Artemides Zatti's words, quote, "You have to give the best to Jesus," unquote. In the afternoon, there was a stage performance to represent the good things that we can do for others, like Saint Brother Artemides Zatti, who gives his best to Jesus.
Father Ekasit Talakulton reporting from Bangkok. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Vietnam, East Asia Oceania Regional Youth Delegates plan youth ministry with General Councillor. Father Augustine Phuoc reports from Ho Chi Minh City.
The meeting of provincial delegates for youth ministry of the East Asia Oceania region was held from 8 to 12 November 2022. The youth ministry document pastoral care that educates to love opened up discussion covering a wide range of topics such as bullying, diversity, social norms, media representations, culture, or relationships in Salesian educational works. The General Councillor for Youth Ministry, Father Garcia Mokuende, also presented another document, Vocational Animation, Inspiring Principle and Horizon of Youth Ministry. It pointed out that Salesian Youth Ministry is oriented by its very nature to help young people discover the concrete path to fulfill their life project to which God is calling them. Under the guidance of Father Garcia and Youth Ministry Delegate Father Jobeth Vival, there was the review of previous year's activities and sharing of best practices. And the topics of reflection included Congress of the Salesian Social Works and Services, updating the framework on Oratory Youth Center, celebration of the 200th anniversary of 9-year dream in 2024, World Youth Day in Lisbon 2023, and initiatives promoted by the youth ministry sector on integral ecology.
Father Augustine Phuoc reporting from Ho Chi Minh City.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.